Here is the big tree in my backyard. I've already put a rope up there using a bow and arrow. But now it's time for that puppy to come down. Why do I want to bring this tree down? Well, because it's about 15 metres from my house, including my brand new kitchen. There's the house and the new kitchen. There's my tree. It's a big puppy. Not quite sure exactly how tall it is, but I'm guessing, I don't know, 30, 40 metres. How tall do you reckon this tree is?
Pretty bloody tall.
Pretty bloody tall, says George. And I reckon he's right.
Dave, what we'll do is we'll go up a little bit and see if it stops spinning eventually.
Righto. No, just go up. Oh, another problem. Up, down, down slowly, down. Down, down.
What happened, mate? What happened?
Look, I'm not scared of heights, but I just can't do it. I can't do it.
You go on the back side?
Back cut. 2 cuts. Left side. Right side. 2 minutes. Keep tension.
Yep. Dave! Dave! I saved your car, mate. I saved it.
Thank you. Right?
Yeah. Oh, way.
Thanks, George.
Dude, I thought Oh my God, this is falling on the car.
Thanks, you did great.
Hit it.
Hang on. This is my mate George. Got the car out of the way. Did a good job. Boss tree, George. Boss tree.
A huge tree.
Alrighty. This is the puppy down. See, you missed the car. George is driving. What do you reckon? It's got to be, I don't know, 120 foot?
Easy.
35 metres?
Easy.
40.
The thing is huge.
Everything else, don't care about.
That's right where I was parked, where you were standing.
Oh, no.
We had traction issues with the car. We were spinning on the grass, but I got it out.
Hey, that's what I thought. It pulls up a really short of a cricket pitch nets. Have a look. Like a boss. I told him it would come down short of the nets. Never in doubt. Never in doubt. Look, it's almost 2 metres from the cricket nets. I don't know what they're talking about.
Amazing.